Introducing the manual fork and platform stacker by Verdex. Your versatile and robust solution for material handling tasks in warehouses, workshops, and industrial settings. Designed for ease of use and built to last, this stacker is available in powder-coated or stainless steel finishes to suit your specific environment. The foot pump hydraulic lift allows effortless and precise control, ensuring safe and efficient lifting, and lowering the platform is a simple turn of the lowering valve counterclockwise. With its removable platform and 2 adjustable fork tines, the Verdex stacker is perfect for lifting skids, pallets, and a variety of loads. Move effortlessly with polyurethane casters featuring 2 fixed and 2 swivel casters with brakes for enhanced stability and control. The lifting range spans from 75 to 1.5 meters, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks built to handle up to 400 kilos. This stacker has a platform size of 660 x 580 millimeters with forks measuring 650 millimeters in length. Compact yet powerful, the Verdex stacker boasts an overall size of 1040 by 590 and a height of 1710 millimeters and weighs just 85 kilograms. Versatile, durable, and engineered to simplify your material handling needs. Verdex, equipping workplaces.